So let us discuss about Stay Hungry and Stay Foolish Unit 2 and 3. So in my previous class I discussed about the introduction of this chapter, about Steve Jobs, about his birth, upbringing, how he struggled his educational career, everything I discussed in the unit 1, and about the calligraphy class, how he introduced this in Mac computer. Let us discuss about the unit 2. So read this section of the text of the second story of the author and find out how he suffered the public life and how he recovered. So in this unit we will discuss about how Steve Jobs recovered. Recovered means what are the different type of situation it was happen in his life, it was happening at that time, and how he struggled more and more in each and every step of his life. Let us discuss about this in this unit 2. My second story is about love and loss. I was lucky I found what I love to do early in life. As I started Apple in my parents' garage when I was 20. We worked hard in 10 years. Apple had grown from the two of us garage into a 2 billion company with over 4,000 employees. And we had just released our finest creation, Macintosh, a year earlier. I had just turned 30 and then I got fired. How can get fired from a company you started? And well, as Apple grew, we hired someone who I thought was very talented to run the company with him. And for the first year so things went well, but then our vision's future began diverge and eventually we had falling out. When we did, our board of directors sided with him. So at 30 I was out, very publicly out. What would been the focus, entire adult life was gone and it was devastating. In the last unit, one thing I explained that they started a company and that company it was in the developed stage. Okay. So here he introduced, he is the co-founder and the CEO, Chief Executive Officer of Apple Inc. So both friends they started this company. Who started this company? Steve Jobs and Oz. So this both persons are Steve Jobs and Oz, both have started this company before 10 years. Okay, and this company has now 4,000 employees. Okay, and 4,000 employees and 2 billion company. 2 billion company. Okay, and at that time we had just released our final, and after that they just Macintosh computer. Okay, what happened in the first unit? We discussed about they both struggled a lot and they started a company and they introduced Macintosh computer. Here also Mac computer. Here this company is one of the successful company in this time. Okay, who started this company? Steve and Oz in his father's garage, and that was means it was one of the most successful company at that time. And how many employees are there in this company? There are 4,000 employees are there. 2 billion company, तार 4,000 एम्प्लॉई थिले, ताहा सहित तार 2 बिलियन कंपनी थिला एंड मेसिटोस को से माने इंट्रोड्यूस करथे. सो नाउ इट इज कंप्लीटली एट द एज ऑफ 30. ही स्टार्टेड एट द एज ऑफ 20 एंड एट द एज ऑफ 30 Steve Jobs one of the successful person in the world. Means it was completely developed at that time. Okay, but what happened? He fired from his own company. He fired from his ओन कंपनी तांको निज कंपनी रो तांको बाहर कर दिया गला। तो यही पूरा यूनिट रे सेकेंड यूनिट रे आमे पढ़िबा सी जेतिकी स्ट्रगल करके गोटे कंपनी बनैले मेसिटोस बनैले किंबा एप्पल आईएनसी जहाँ भी बनैले ओ जाओ सी निजे स्टार्ट करथिले किछि बोर्ड ऑफ मेंबर्स भी तार थिले किंतु से किछि दिन परे तांको निज कंपनी रे हुई बाहर करागला। एंड हाउ डेवास्टेटिंग इट वाज means you started your own company and you fired from your own company means it is really so pathetic situation and it was really means see I really didn't know what to do for few months। तमें गोटे कथा चिंता कर तमें गोटे कंपनी कर जोटा कि वन ऑफ द सक्सेसफुल कंपनी किंतु तुम कंपनी रू तुमको बाहर करदेला तुम निजे ही कन्फ्यूज हो मत किसी कौन करार अच्छे। Okay, so that I really don't know what to do for few months. I felt that I had laid the previous generation entrepreneurs down, that I had dropped the baton, it was being passed to me. I met David Packard, Bob Noyce and tried to apologize for screwing up so badly. He met two persons, one is David Packard and Bob Noyce, and apologize means क्षमा means जो जिनस जहाँ भी होती से अगेन ट्राई कले से जगह को जीवाई बट it never happened। Okay, I was a very public failure, I even thought about running away from Valley। Okay, but something slowly began down to me, I still loved what I did and the tone of events Apple had not changed one bit। I had been rejected but I was still in love। I decided to start over। What made him again he started another company। So the meaning of this two paragraph I will explain clearly about this। Oz and Steve Jobs both had started that company and at that time when he was at the age of 30 the company is in the peak stage। Peak stage means it is completely developed stage because 4,000 employees are available at that time and 2 billion means 2 billion sectors means branches, 2 billion branches companies are available at that time। But because of to improve more and more the organization they hired one employee and that employee was they thought that employee was very talented so they hired one employee। But at that time what happened, Steve Jobs and that particular new employee it created a new type of problem between them। So after that the board of members of that company Apple company रे जो माने board of members थिले से माने कहा को बाहर जाओ कोई थिले जे की कंपनी स्टार्ट करथिला ताको ही बाहर जाओ कोई थिले and it was really shocked means it was such type of devastating situation no one can imagine that I will fire from my own company। Is it possible? No one can think। So again because of his self confidence, because of his positive attitude, because of his awareness, because of his quality to begin again the new organization he means at that time he was not nervous। Okay, I did not see then but it turned the getting Apple from Apple was the best thing that I could ever happen to me। The heaviness of being successful, so beautiful lines, see the heaviness of being successful was replaced by lightness of being a beginner again। So the beautiful line is there, see the heaviness of being successful was again replaced by lightness of being a beginner again। Heaviness of the if you are successful in your society means each and every person give respect to you। If you have money then everyone will give respect to you। Heaviness, successful means that is called your weight is there, means everyone will give respect, okay, everyone will give you importance at that time, okay. But when you are again the beginner, when you are again the beginner, it was really the terrific situation for Steve Jobs at that time, okay. So the heaviness of being successful was replaced by the lightness of being beginner again. Who know the beginner? Beginner को किए जानुची जे सक्सेसफुल ताको आमे जानुचे, एमते बहुत कंपनी लोक स्टार्ट करछोंती तापर ताको केही भी जानु नाहंती ना, तो सक्सेसफुल मीन्स दैट इज कॉल्ड द हैप्पीनेस, ओके. So beautiful lines is there. So after that what happened, because of this confident that I can start again, that confident, again he started 2 companies, okay. So the name of that company is, first one is Next, second one is Pixar, okay. First company he started 2 companies, one is Next and second name is Pixar. Fell in love with an amazing woman, become my wife. In the third unit, a third paragraph, 3 things are happened in his life. After that lightness of the beginner again, he started a company named Next and another company Pixar. So you just keep in your mind this name of these 2 companies, okay, Next and Pixar. So what happened? Another company named Pixar fell in love with an amazing woman who would become my wife, and Pixar went to create a world's first computer animated feature film, Toy Story. So what is the speciality of Pixar? It started the first animated film, जोटा कि छोटो पिला देखती टॉय स्टोरी गुड़ाक एनिमेटेड फिल्म जहाँ को कहा जाए animated toy story. So what is the work of Pixar? Fast animated toy story, animated film जो आमे कहूचे, animated जो cartoon shows कहूचे, सेटा को से fast introduce करथिले ए company under रे, okay. And he also married a beautiful woman. The name of that woman is Lauren, okay, Lauren. Next, another company named Pixar fell in love with the amazing woman, my wife. Pixar went to create a world's first computer animated film, first computer animated film. This is Toy Story, and what happened is now the most successful in the world, and in a remarkable turn of events, Apple brought Next and returned to. Then what happened? Apple again bought Next. Apple again got Next, because without the Next he introduced such type of thing, Steve Jobs. Without Next it was really difficult for Apple to introduce new things in the market, okay. So what happened? And I returned to Apple again, he returned to his own company, and the technology we developed at the Next at the heart of Apple's current renaissance. Current renaissance means rebirth. Rebirth माने कौन? गोटे जिनस जहाँ थिला ताको गोटे किसी न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट देबा, रीएक्वेनिंग. रेनेसा पीरियड आम जमती कहा जाए एलिजाबेथ पीरियड को कहा जाए. द एलिजाबेथ पीरियड इज वन ऑफ द रेनेसा पीरियड ऑफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंग्लिश लिटरेचर. माने एलिजाबेथ को पीरियड को गोटे रीबार्थ बोली कहा जाए, माने गोटे न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट आसला से समय सबु जिनसर आर्किटेक्चर, साइंस, लिटरेचर, एवरीथिंग डेवलप्ड एट दैट एज, in the Elizabethan age. So that age was called one of the Renaissance. 16th century it was the Renaissance period, rebirth period. So here it's developed that means it's a rebirth of Apple company, and the Next, because of the Next it introduced a new concept in the market. Now again Steve Jobs went to his own company Apple. Now he has two companies, three companies, Apple, Next and Pixar. Now both are combined and Pixar is the another company. So because of his confidence, because of his talent, because of his dedication, everything is possible. So this chapter is only for the it is for the, it is really essential for the student, because when we are facing lots of problems in our life, we really lost our confidence. So what happened here? He fired from his own company. 10 years he wasted that. 10 years he struggled for that destination. When he got the destination, he fired from his own company. After that also he maintained his confidence, again started 2 companies, Next and Pizza, and now the one next is the heart of Apple Inc. Apple company without Next रे चली पारिबो नहीं. They are started a new thing and they are giving a new thing to the market, and Pixar is the thing which is the first animated film Toy Story he introduced. Okay, and Lauren and I have wonderful family together, and in this time he married a woman, the name of that woman Lauren. Okay, and the beautiful life again. I am pretty sure none of this would happened if I had not been fired from Apple. He told, if this type of thing, if I had not been fired from that company, how it was Apple, really it was Apple, really it was the bitter taste, but it gave the result. Okay, but I guess the person needed it. Sometimes life hits you in the brick. जीवन रे किछि समय एमती थाए तुम निज भाग्य भी तुम साथ न थाए, तुम निज लोक भी तुम साथ न थाए. बेले बेले जीवन रे एमती गोटे तुमको किछि गोटे मिली थाए जहाँकि जो कष्ट संभाळिबा समस्त पक्षरे संभव होई न थाए. हिट्स यू बैक माने तुम पछकु जीवाको न चाहुथिले मध्य द हैप्पीनेस ऑफ द सक्सेसफुल अगेन द बिगिनर अगेन. The happiness of being successful was replaced by the lightness of the beginner again. So hits back in his life. Okay, and so don't lose faith. I am convinced the only thing that kept me moving, I love what I did. So you love your work first. You just don't compromise with your passion. जहाँ को आम पैशन बोली कहूँ, आमर जहाँ कर इच्छा अच्छी ताकू नहीं कि तुम के कंप्रोमाइज करनी, because he was that much of passion to do that work. So he did it, and he proved that if you are fired from Apple, I can create another company that is called Next and Pixar. Okay, and you go to find the way that is the true of your work for your lovers. Your work is going to feel a last part of your life. The only being truly satisfied when your belief is a great work. You just when you will satisfy, don't satisfy yourself. Try to learn and learn more and more, because there is no more ending of the learning. Okay, so don't settle. Don't settle yourself. Now I am self-sufficient. You don't think that this is enough. जे भाविदेव जे मते एति करिवाटा ही दरकार थिला सेतिकरे ही से सीमित रहि जाय. सेइथि पई हमकु भाबिबार अछि जे आमे केमती आगो को जिबा. Okay, and as with all matters of heart, we know we find it like great relationship, it just get better and better than years roll on. So keep going until you find and don't settle. So the gist of this unit 2 is, let us discuss about the gist of unit 3, unit 2. Gist means the theme of unit 2. So what is the theme? First one is here, foundation of Apple Inc. Okay. Second one is he fired from his own company. Fired from his own company. Third one is foundation of next 2 companies. Next and picture. Next and picture. And so these are the most important point you have to keep in your mind, that what we discussed or what is the theme or gist of this chapter. Unit 2. First, foundation of Apple Inc. It was one of the best companies with 4,000 employees and 2 billion branches. Fired from his own company, he fired by the board of members, and no new member entered in his company. Because of that person, everyone support that person, and Steve Jobs was fired from his own company. Foundation of 2, and because he was fired, he introduced 2 another companies. Next and picture. And one lesson learned. He learned that whatever the situation it may be in your life, don't hesitate to do a new thing, to do a new thing or introduce a new concept in your life. So this is all about Unit 2. Go through it, and a little bit 4 to 5 questions, 4 to 5 questions are there, and that is quite easy. 4 questions are there. Okay. Let us discuss about the Unit 3. Okay, the most important Unit 3, and let us discuss about this. Let us discuss about this warm-up section. In this section, the text Jobs narrates in the third story. Read the following unit of the text. Note how he brushed with death. How he brushed with death. So the main concept of this Unit 3 is death. Okay. My third story is about death. When I was 17, I read quote that went something like, if you live each day as it was last, someday you most certainly be right. So such a beautiful line, that if you live each day it was your last, someday you will certainly be right. It is the bitter fact of our life, that one thing we discussed in the Psalm of Life, that dost thou art and dost thou renest, means human life, it starts from dust and it will end in dust. मनीषर जीवन कौन dust to start ही थाए and dust to end ही थाए. It's a beautiful line in our Bible. Here in the first Unit 3, in the first line, he explained that if you think today is your last day, someday will come that is your last day. तमें जदि भाव मोर आज ना मु काली मरजी एमती गोटे दिन आसो तुम सतरे जमी हेले भी तुम एक्सपायर कर जो, बिकॉज इट इज द फैक्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ. नो वन विल वांट टू डाई, बट वी हैव टू डाई because this is the truth. Everyone should accept it. Okay, and it made an impression on me since then, the past 33 years. Now he was 33 years, means 33 years back he went. I looked the mirror every morning, asked myself, if today is the last day of my life, would I want to do what I want to do today? Whenever the answer been no for many days in a row, I know need to change something. So he thought that when you know about your death, means you well known about this, that day after tomorrow I will die. So what is your destination today? What is my destination today when I will know about my death? मत आउ किसी दिन पर मरीजी बोली जानले मोर डेस्टिनेशन कौन सेम रही कि सक्सेसफुल होगा चाहिए कि मुझे नुआ करने को चाहिए कि मुझे जानी जे मोर आउ किसी दिन पर मत डॉक्टर गोटे टाइम पीरियड दब से भितर डेथ हो माने मु आउ किछि आगु करिया को चाहिबी कि निश्चय तुमर डेस्टिनेशन तुम थिंकिंग योर क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग योर ऑब्जर्वेशन कैपेसिटी योर थिंग्स इट विल कंप्लीटली चेंज. ओके सो encounter to help me make big choices of life because almost everything, all external expectations, all pride, embarrassment, failure, these things fall away in the face of death. So when you will know you will die, you must not think about this company, I am successful person, I am the one of the happiest person in the world, everyone well known about me. Okay, so when you are in front of death, you know the reality of life, what you did throughout the life and what will happen after some time. No one can know, no one well known about this. Okay, so these things just fall away face of death, leaving only truly important, remembering that you are going to die the best way. I know to avoid the trap thinking you have something to lose. You have already naked. There is no reason to follow your heart. You just come this world in the naked phase and you will go here from naked. So what you think to do, what you will do when you will know, when you know means after some time I will die, what you will do? You just think there is no more fear, any embarrassment is there, anything want to you do, you want to do more and more companies, more successful, nothing to do, because death is such type of thing, such type of bitter thing, no one want to face it, but we have to face it. Okay, about a year I was diagnosed with cancer. So what happened, तांको कैंसर हेतिला एंड पैनक्रियास कैंसर हेतिला जोटा कि से जानी थिले. ओके सो pancreas cancer, he suffered from this disease. I didn't even know the pancreas was, because he was not a science student, he don't know which part is called pancreas, but he suffered from pancreas cancer. And this is one type of cancer which is not curable, जोटा कि केबे भी भलो हुए नहीं, which is not curable. You will take medicine and you just continue your life from means for a period, but it is not curable. Okay, the doctors almost told me this was the certainly type of cancer that is incurable and that I should expect no longer than 6 months. What is his lifespan? Now his lifespan is only 6 months. Okay, so my doctor advised me to go home, get my affairs in order, and doctor scored of prepared to die. Doctor told me to just prepare to die. And so kids, everything I thought to the next years, tell them in just few months, it makes sure everything buttoned up, so it will be easy to possible for our family. It means said to goodbyes. I lived with diagnosis all day. Later evening I had biopsy. What is the meaning of biopsy? Biopsy means, listen, a doctor removes a small amount of tissue to examine under a microscope. बायोप्सी रो अर्थ होची पिले, बायोप्सी माने जो जगार तुमर कैंसर होता है, जो जगार गोटे ट्यूमर क्रिएट होता है, ताहिरो किछि गोटे अल्प किछि टिश्यूज नहीं कि से माने देखते जे सेटा कैंसर सेल्स और अदर सेल्स. ओके, सो सेटा को गोटे टेस्ट करा जाए, माने तुमर कैंसर हेछि कि नहीं सेटा को श्योर करिया पे, दैट इज कॉल्ड बायोप्सी. And what his doctor told to him, that you went to your home, you give time to your child, to your family, what you will want to do after 10 years, you just do it now. Means they suggested that this cancer is not curable, you go and you take your own time, everything is buttoned up. तुम्हें जो जानीदेव जे तुम किसी मरीज तुम जहाँ कर सब जिन तो बंद करदेव ना, हाँ ना नहीं. So I lived it all the last evening by where they stuck an endoscope down my throat, through my stomach into my intestines, and needle into my pancreas, got a few cells from the tumor. Okay. So biopsy, it is one type of test, but biopsy रे मध्य गोटे टाइप रो ऑपरेशंस भी करा जाए जोटा कि तुमरो पिले थ्रोट को देकरी गोटे मेसीन दिया जाए से जो जगार तुम एंड्रोस्कोपी करा जाओ माने जो जो जगार कैंसर सेल अच्छी से आमर कौन अच्छी सपोज दिस इज द ट्यूमर ओके एंड दीज आर द कैंसर सेल्स तो आमर गुड सेल्स भी रोचंती किंतु से जो रेडिएशन थेरापी एंड इटा तुम हूँ बायोप्सी करिकी तुम जोड़ा कराऊँ इंटेस्टाइन को जाकि निडिल देकी से जगार तुम बाहर करा जाउची तो यहाँ हूँ सर्जरी रे से माने कौन करेंगे एंड्रोस्कोप माने भितर को जाकि तुम गोटे थी से जगह तुम कौन कराव ये जो जी तुम ट्यूमर रे कैंसर सेल्स अच्छी ताको रेडिएशन थेरापी रे करा जाय परिबो रेडिएशन माने कौन गोटे लाइट थाए जोटा कि से जो सेल को पर्टिकुलरली कैंसर सेल को दिया जाए एंड सर्जरी भी करा जाए ये दुईटा वे रे से कैंसर को रिमूव करा जाए ओके सो आई वाज सेडाटेड माने कौन माने बिफोर पेशेंट को ट्रीटमेंट करिया पूर्वर ताकू गोटे किसी मेडिसिन्स दिया जाए जोड़ा द्वारा सी आउ किसी जाने नहीं माने सेडाटेड माने माने somebody feeling make to calm feeling करिबा तमे स्लीपी फील करिवो ओके that is called sedated okay so but my wife and who was there told me that viewed cells under microscope doctor started crying because very strong of cancer that curable surgery I had the surgery and I am fine now so at that surgery it was successful it's a biopsy after biopsy they just through the endoscopy they just do that surgery and it was his because he was not in the sense his wife explained her that he was curable now he was curable from cancer disease this was the closest I have been facing death I hope the closest and more decades having through it I can now say that a bit more certainly when death was useful purely intellectual concept what is the meaning of intellectual concept when you are very close to your death then you will know what is the importance of your own place in this world तुम्हें जो डेथ पाखे थी ना से मनुष्यर सब ज्ञान आसता है मु आसली कौन पे मु करुच्ची कौन मु कहाँपाई करुच्ची कौन पे करुच्ची मु जदि जीवी मो सहित किए जीव कि ना सो दिस इज कम्प्लीटली इंटेलेक्चुअल कंसेप्ट means it is completely means what intellectual माने कौन जोटी कि मनुष्य ज्ञान पाई थाए so when he saw his death such very near he realized what is the importance of life and how this life is not meant for us and how we have to what we did and what I will do in future so that thing it's going on in his mind no one wants to die anyone wants to die no one wants to die even people want to go in the heaven don't want to die and get there it's a yet death destination we all said no one has escaped it that it should be death is very likely the single best invention of life it's the best invention of life death is the best invention of life so it clears out old make the right now the but somebody too long you will gradually become the old and cleared away sorry so we so dramatic he explained in that speech it is really it was so dramatic but it was true so what happened death is such type of thing you know in आम ओडिशा रे गोटे भिकारी बल अच्छा जी कि सब जगन्नाथंकर थिले से बहुत भल रे भजन गाती से गोटे लाइन्स थाए इट वाज रियली हार्ट टचिंग मला मला बोली सब कांदे रे कहीं न जीवे संगरे माने समस्ते कांदे कहीं सांगे जीवे नहीं यू जस्ट कम इन दिस वर्ल्ड एलोन एंड यू विल गो एलोन सो नो वन विल with you. Okay, so it is completely intellectual. जानिबा दरकार तमरो ए जगह रे तमरो ड्यूटी ठू आरंभ करी आउ किछि तम पे किछि ड्यूटीज अछि कि. So he explained in front of that student in the Stanford University, because it was the speech. His speech was divided into 3 parts: Unit 1, Unit 2 and Unit 3. In this speech, in the third page, he explained about the intellectual concept of life. Okay, your time is limited. Don't waste time living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma which is leaving the results others people thinking. Don't let noise others opinions drown out the inner voice. Most important, you have courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know that truly want to become, everything else is secondary. What you want to do, you just do your work. Don't interrupt with others feelings. Don't interrupt with others what they are doing. Don't just go through that dogma that what all will do. You just listen your inner voice and do what you want to do. And when I was young, it was an amazing publication, the Whole Earth Catalog. The Whole Earth Catalog. The Whole Earth Catalog, it is one type of magazine. It was available at that time, okay, which was Bibles of my generation. In his generation, everyone go through this catalog. Catalog means it is like one magazine which is published in a means in a periodic time. आमर एठी जेमती आमे विजडम पढ़ते पिला माने विजडम थाए कॉम्पिटिटिव बुक्स थाए सेमती एटा गोटे थिला से टाइम रे. It was created a fellow named Stewart Brand. Who started? Stewart Brand जी के लिखते. A Menlo Park. He brought to life with his poetic touch. Every poetic touch is there. And that late 1960s, the 1960s रो कथा. Personal computers and desktops, publishing and typewriters, scissors, Polaroid cameras. These are the old versions. माने जो समय की टाइप करा होतला, Polaroid cameras यूज करा होतला, जोटार की तमरो रील थाए एंड कैमरास तमर यूज होता है. सीसर्स से टाइप रो. इट वाज सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक गूगल पेपर बैग. 35 years गूगल कैम along, and it was idealistic, overwhelming with the neat tools and great notions. Now it was really developed stage. So he told here that he got very poetic choice and basic very talent, very good things from this particular magazine or magazine type. Stewart and his team several issues the Whole Earth Catalog. Stewart जी की start करते ले. When he returned his course for the final issue, it was a mid of 1970s. I was your age. The back over the final tissue photograph one morning in the road. A kind you mind fencer hitching on if you were so adventurous. Okay, what is the meaning of hitching? Travel asking free rides in another people's cars. Hitching माने होजी सी सिटी जिनस करचंदी गोटे. You just try to drive in another's car. माने तम निजर नाही किंतु आउ जन को हेल्प रे तमे सेठी को जीवा को चाहूच. ओके, so if you are so adventurous, beneath it words stay hungry, stay foolish. It was their farewell message. They signed off, stay hungry, stay foolish. I have always wished that for myself. Now as you graduate begin anew, I wish for you stay hungry and stay foolish. Little bit he explained about the Whole Earth, okay, catalog, which was started by the Stewart Brand, okay, and he explained about what are the things happened means available before 35 years. The typewriters, Polaroid cameras, माने पुराना जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स माने थाए तापर सिना मैसेजस कंप्यूटर्स किंबा मैक स्टार्टेड हैला. डिजाइनर वर्ड्स लेटर्स हैला. से समय रे लोक माने को टाइप रो स्ट्रगल करी केति की माने से कौन करथले कहले नॉलेज गेन कर पारथले से ऊपर कॉन्सेप्ट है जी. ओके, एंड इट इज नॉट सो इम्पोर्टेंट आल्सो. एंड लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द what is the concept and the gist of this unit 3. Let us discuss about the gist. Gist means the theme of unit 3. So first one is treasure every day. Treasure every day means treasure every day. When you will know that after 30 days I will die, one day is most important for you, each day is most important for you. So he, in this unit, he treasure every day, because in the first line he explained that if I will think today is my last day, then that day will not so far that से दिन भी अधिका नुह जोटा कि सतरे मोर लास्ट दिन हो. ओके, एंड हियर he diagnosed with cancer, pancreas cancer. He diagnosed with pancreas cancer. Okay, next one is he got one intellectual concept about death. Death कौन से intellectual concept को जानी थिले. ओके, and he gave one message to the students that stay hungry and stay hungry and stay foolish. One should not satisfied with one has already achieved. With one has already achieved. Okay, but should always feel more hungry to do more. Hungry to do more. Okay, let us discuss about this concept. Okay, so gist of this unit is treasure every day. He treasured every day because he well known about his death. Pancreas cancer, he suffered from pancreas cancer. He well known about the intellectual concept that is called the reality of the death, and he cured also from that disease. And next one is the most important thing, the message of the author for the students of Stanford University and for all the students, that one should not satisfied with one has already achieved, but should always hungry to do more. तमें जहाँ करिच पिले तमें जदि सेतिकी रे सैटिस्फाई हो गल ताहले सेटा होची तमरो लास्ट. तमें ताठो किछि ग्रो मु सबु जानि छि, मु भाबी आई नो एवरीथिंग, नो वन कैन टीच मी, माने मोर आउ किछि सिखिबार नाही, मु सेति भितरे सीमित रहि गेली. ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू दैट देयर इज नो मोर एंडिंग ऑफ द लर्निंग. लर्निंग रो केबे भी एंडिंग न थाए. जेतेबेले तमें भोकिला रहिबो, तमें जेतेबेले निजको निजे भोक फील करिवो, तुमको खाइबा को इच्छा हबो. तमें जेतेबेले भाबिबो जे मोर आउ किछि जानिबार अछि, तुमको जानिबा को इच्छा हबो. तमें जदि बोका रहिबो, तमें किछि चालाक हेबाको चेष्टा करियो. तुम भाबिचो मु होचे संसार सबुठु अधिका चालाक, एंड आई नो एवरीथिंग, नो वन लाइक मी, आई एम द किंग लाइक Alexander and like this. So when you think about this type of concept it is going on in the students mind when they are in a particular level, when they are passed out from a renowned college, renowned university. They think I can do everything because I am the student from IIT, I passed out from IIT Kharagpur. Not like this. You have to, one should not satisfied with one has already achieved. When you are not satisfied, that is called hungry. अधिका भोक लगिवा. But should always hungry to do more means you are foolish. When you feel you are hungry and foolish, you want to do more and more for that. So here the message of the author for the students is that you just think about your destination from your age, at the age of 18. You don't rack out yourself. You should not think about others, what he do, what that person do, what I will do. You just think about yourself. You just know about your own destination. You just try to learn yourself what your talent is. Don't hitchking, don't want to drive in another's car. You just do your own work in your own capability. You think you are the entrepreneur. What is the meaning of entrepreneur? That Steve Jobs was one of the best entrepreneur, is the best entrepreneur in this world. Means he started a new concept in the market. He gives a new concept to the market. So always be always be confident, always be positive, try to learn more and more, give focus on your studies, give focus in your work, maintain the passion. When you are in the downward, when you will go downward, at that time also you just think how I will go to in the upward moment. And that is the message of the author, and it is the beautiful chapter. Go through the text. If any doubt is there, write in the comment section. Thank you. Thank you, students.